Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 7 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom again and localize build number. The next step we will perform is quite strange, but basically it is crucial in order to actually activate the section where the proper option is localized. So let's keep tapping on the build number, because thanks to this we can actually activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, we've got a separate tutorial of how to enable them, how to turn them off, so I highly recommend to check it. After activating the developer options, we have to go back to the general settings and then enter the system. Now let's tap on Advanced and tap on Developer Options. All we have to do right now is to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, which is, as you can see, turned off in my case. So all we have to do is to tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will basically have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.